Hey bucket list buddies, welcome to another episode of my bucket list day. Have you ever had one of those days where you have so much to do, you're overwhelmed, you just can't seem to get anything done? Well, that's happened to me. I wonder if that's happened to you. Leave in the comments below if that's ever happened to you guys. I've been so busy with work stuff and all sorts of other logistical things that I'll fill you in with later. But anyway, I've been so busy with all of that, just haven't seemed to get anything done. Let me tell you more about that right after this. Alright, as I said, have you ever had those days where you're just completely overwhelmed with so much stuff to get done? Well, that's me today. I had so many plans to getting so many things done, and I just haven't been able to do it this week. Not to mention videos I needed to edit for today's release. If I'm being honest, this was not the planned video for today. I had planned on releasing a different one, but I've been so busy, haven't had a chance to finish the editing. In fact, I've got 3 videos where I've got about 6 to 7 hours of editing for each video that I haven't finished yet. So, got to figure out how to find time to get those done. But I've been trying to get so much done in such a short period of time, I've just become overwhelmed. And it's almost paralyzing. And at least that's what's happened to me. So honestly, I'm a little bit at a loss. I know what I got to get done, but then I focus the time on do it, then something else comes up that I got to take care of right away, which interrupts that. And then I got to jump back into that, and then something else comes up. I'm taking care of Jo and everything that she needs for her recovery, which is going well. She's doing very, very well. She's just not ready to be on camera yet. Quite frankly, it's because of all the surgery that she has had, speaking is still a little difficult for her, so she's not ready to share that. But with all of that, I admit I have just not had the time to do the videos I plan on releasing today, and I thought I'd be totally transparent and share with you that I'm overwhelmed. So I'm putting this short video together to ask all of you, do you ever have days like that or weeks like that where you have just so much to do you can't seem to get anything done, and then you're constantly interrupted by one thing or another? I will tell you one thing that is taking so much time is booking RV parks for the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month, couple of months. I've been struggling with that because there's just nothing available. There are thousands more RVers out there, and when it comes to the weekends, just everything is booked and it's hard to maneuver and get around. Plus, I'm planning everything that I'm planning for the RV show in Tampa in January, and trying to get all my things lined up for that with all the vendors and the affiliates and such. So that's taken up a lot of time as well. So I can make excuses, yes, just like everybody says, just shut up and get it done. And that's where I'm at right now. I'm just trying to find time to focus on that. Now we have to move again tomorrow, which basically takes the day. So it screws everything up, so it puts me behind even further. I get caught up on work stuff and caught up on other things. So that's a problem. So if you can't tell by my conversation, I'm a little frazzled, a little frustrated, and just a little lost. So if this has ever happened to you guys, I'd love to hear your comments below. Whether it be below or go to Facebook page or my Facebook group, my Bucket List Day Buddies, and leave your comments there. And not only leave your comments if this has happened to you, what have you done to overcome it? Now, I've had a couple suggestions of just open up a beer and 3 or 4 and just get drunk and wake up tomorrow and look at it a whole new way. So that's, I guess, one solution, but it's not really accomplishing anything. I tend to dissect things into little projects and then try to knock all of those off my list, and that's what I tried to do, and that's when I realized I've got, and I'm not exaggerating, I have probably 36 things on my list that has to get done by, well, within the next 9 to 10 days. And that's a lot of things on my list, and a lot of them are tedious, long processes. So I won't bore you with any more of that. It's a short video. I just wanted to let you know that your regularly scheduled video will not happen today, and you guys are getting my frustration, or I shouldn't say frustration, my overwhelmed Jeff of what I have to get done. So that's why it's just a short and sweet little video and totally transparent. It's one of those bad days. So for those of you that are new to the channel, if you'd like to see a little bit of chaos like that, go ahead and hit your little like, subscribe, and the little bell icon to let you know when I'm launching a video. Now for those of you that are already subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate that, and always appreciate your comments below. As you all know that have left comments below, I respond to everybody. Well, I've tried to, and that's the other thing on my list that's overwhelming. I get lots of emails, lots of comments in Facebook and Instagram. Well, not so much Instagram, I don't use it that much. And but comments here on YouTube on lots of the different videos I've put out already. They're coming every day. But I try to get to every one of you and respond. So now I am rambling on, and I'll end it right there. You guys have a great, great day, and I'll talk to you next video. I guess that's coming Wednesday. Make it a great bucket list day.